Comes to Tando, there's nothing can ever surprise us. We have seen the worst in her. People have begged her so many times to leave that marriage. Utando went through so much to a point where people no longer care. They're just allowing her to live her best life. As of now, the only thing that can surprise people, if we are told Usiatela he has changed, he's now wanna be a better father, a better husband to Tando. So Utando revealed something on her TikTok account and people were surprised. What is going on, Tando? Let's get to story of today. No, the rest of the houses, I'm welcome to Trudy Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So for those who don't know, Utando, she has a TikTok account. She's always posting videos, dancing, and people went on the comment section to say, "Wazamhlaga 2 February ngo 9 ebusuku." Utando reply. This is what she said. No, niyangigcina la TikTok. And people were like, hi Utando, is there anything else you want to surprise us with? Utando, and this lady went on why. Utando wathi ngeke nikhone kumela, ngeke ngikhone ukumelana nezinto ezizodlala kuningi nje ngeke ngikhone ukuchaza, meaning that I will never explain. And people were surprised what could be going on there because we have seen the worst in you guys with Yascela. We know that Usiyacela, obviously Usiyacela is going to give you problem. There's nothing is going to surprise us. We are used to you and Siyacela. What could be happening, guys? Isencane Lengane season 8, is there anything that Utando she's not telling us? Because guys, the things that Utando went through, if it was someone else, would have packed their bag and left. There are people that were begging Tando. Some even were willing to donate money for her. So right now, they don't understand. If it's something that Usiyacela is taking a second wife, you're not surprised. Usiyacela has been saying so many times that he wants to take a second wife. This is not a new news to us. We are used to that. So what could be happening to a point where Tando, she wants to leave her social media? Like, I don't understand, guys. Utando went through the worst. Usiyacela has said so many horrible things about Tando. But Utando, she was active on social media. Right now, she wants to leave social media for what? I don't understand it, but people are just saying, hi, Utando, there's no need for you to leave the social media. We love you. We enjoy you here. If there's one thing, guys, I've learned about Tando is that a lot of men, every time, whenever Utando posts a video, a lot of men like good dad, father, they will go under Tando's comment section and beg her to leave the marriage, guys. If you see men, one thing about men, guys, that they will stand each other, they will support each other. So if you see men under the comment section begging you to leave a marriage, just know that you're in the wrong path. So guys, it is what it is. I don't know what is going on, guys. Utando, that why she wants to leave TikTok because of Sencane Lengane season 8. Maybe we're gonna get surprised and maybe we'll see Acela is taking a second wife. You know, something is happening there. But anyway, guys, we can't wait to see them. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.